Hello, in this video we will create a test case against the Amazon Shopping Android app. We open the browser on the Jamo Automator URL and start a login. Anyone with the browser and credentials can use the cloud-based tool. In order to create a new automated test case, you have to record the transaction under test. You see now the screen of my Android device. We start up the Amazon Shopping app. Using the Jamo menu, I start the recording. The transaction I will test is a selection of an article and then add it to the shopping cart. I'm now typing in the item to search for. In my case, a Lego pirate toy. The tools give us a list of all Lego pirate-related toys. I scroll down and select one below in the list. We get now the details of the toy. We need now to scroll down to add it to the cart. Once the item is added to cart, we return to the main window through the menu of the app. Let's stop recording and save the test case. The tool asks to enter the name of the test case. The name for the test case I enter is Android Add to Cart. Now the test case gets uploaded to the cloud. Let's have now a look at the test case. The recorded test case is a sequence of steps. Here's a test case. It's a workflow of steps. Each step is illustrated with the image of the screen at recording time. The snapshot you see is only for illustration purpose and will not be used during replay. Before replaying the test case, we will change it into a data-driven test case. You see now the data table that will be input for the data-driven test case. The table contains 3 rows. The test will iterate on all rows. We select now the steps to include them into the iteration. The iteration is defined now the data table. We have now created a big while loop. Let's change now the typing of the search item. We select the steps and modify the argument. The test case is now ready to get executed. I will execute it from the app. The full test case will get downloaded, and as soon as it is downloaded, it will start executing. The execution will iterate on all rows of the data table. Important is that we use a visual recognition engine to find back the UI elements on which we want to execute an action. The UI elements are thus recognized independently from the definitions made by developers. A test case is thus highly reusable for regression testing. A test case can also be used cross-platform. For example, you can create a test case on Android and replay on iOS. We will wait now until the execution finishes. The test case is executed. Only now the execution report gets uploaded. I'm going back to the dashboard. The dashboard shows us the list of most recent test cases and test executions. We also see the list of available data tables and platforms. A platform is an Android or iOS device or a PC-based browser like, for example, Chrome. I'm opening now the execution report. The 3 iterations are lists. The screen of all steps are recorded. I thank you for watching. Please watch also the other videos on how to test the Amazon shopping website.